What is up, guys? It's Lazy Boy here, and if I sound a little bad, it's because I am kind of sick. So yeah. And I'm gonna bring you a review on manti. Just 1 second. We're gonna flip this card, and go down and flip this card. Oh my bad, this makes some bust. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and flip Manti-Te'o's card, and he has an 88 speed, 90 agility, 84 awareness, 94 tackling. It's not as good as Luke Kuechly, but I mean, he's really good. And 88 block shedding, 84 strength, and precision 90, and pursuit 92. That pursuit right there, it's really good. Really helps you out, and I would go with the +10 pass rush and the +10 run stuff, because on the auction some of them are going between, just for the pass rush and run stuff, I only spent like 23k on it. So I mean, it was a really good deal. The other ones are going for like 10k each. Actually, I think I spent 18k on this. Yeah, 18k. And yeah, so that's your review. It's pretty good. My name is Lazy Boy. I will put my name down in the description. I want you to send me some messages, whatever. Tell me what you want the review on. And so yeah, see you guys. Lazy Boy out.